Everyone dreams of finding that one stock, the one that skyrockets in value and transforms a small investment into a fortune. But how do you identify the next big stock before it becomes the talk of Wall Street? While there's no crystal ball for investing, there are strategies and clues that can help you spot potential winners before the crowd catches on. Let's start with the basics, understanding trends and industries. The stock market isn't just about individual companies, it's about sectors and industries that are poised for growth. Think about the trends shaping the world right now. Is there a new technology disrupting an old industry? Are societal or environmental changes creating demand for specific products or services? For instance, the rise of electric vehicles and renewable energy has fueled massive growth for companies in those sectors. Staying informed about emerging trends can help you zero in on the industries that are ripe for investment. Once you've identified a promising sector, the next step is to research the companies leading the charge. Look for businesses with innovative products or services that solve real-world problems. These are often the companies that have the potential to dominate their markets. But innovation alone isn't enough. The company also needs a strong competitive advantage, something that sets it apart and makes it difficult for competitors to replicate. This could be a groundbreaking technology, a powerful brand, or exclusive access to resources. Another key factor to consider is financial health. A company might have a great idea, but if it's drowning in debt or burning through cash too quickly, it's a risky investment. Check out the company's financial statements to see if it has a solid balance sheet, consistent revenue growth, and healthy profit margins. Keep an eye on key metrics like the debt-to-equity ratio, return on equity, and free cash flow. These numbers can give you a clearer picture of whether the company has the resources to thrive and scale. But spotting the next big stock isn't just about the numbers, it's also about the people behind the business. Great companies are often led by visionary leaders who have the skills and determination to turn their ideas into reality. Research the management team's track record. Have they successfully grown companies in the past? Do they have a clear and compelling vision for the future? Strong leadership can make all the difference between a company that flourishes and one that fizzles out. Now, let's talk about early signs of growth. One of the best ways to spot a breakout stock is to look for companies that are already showing signs of success but haven't yet gained widespread attention. For example, are they landing big partnerships, expanding into new markets, or seeing a surge in customer demand? Keep an eye on earnings reports and news releases for these indicators. Another clue is insider buying. When company executives are buying shares of their own stock, it often signals confidence in the company's future. Next, don't underestimate the power of community and sentiment analysis. Sometimes, the next big stock is hiding in plain sight, being discussed by retail investors or niche online communities. Platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and specialized investment forums can be treasure troves of information. Just be sure to separate hype from genuine insights. Look for discussions backed by solid research rather than just speculation. It's also crucial to think long-term. The best investments aren't necessarily the ones that explode overnight, but those that grow steadily over time. A company with a strong foundation, a clear growth strategy, and a scalable business model is more likely to deliver lasting returns. Patience is key. Remember, even the most successful stocks, like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla, took years to reach their peak. Of course, no investment comes without risk, so diversification is your safety net. Even if you're confident about a stock's potential, avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to protect yourself from market volatility. Finally, stay curious and stay informed. The stock market is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve means keeping up with the latest news, trends, and developments. Read industry reports, follow thought leaders, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to spot the next big stock before everyone else. To sum up: 1. Identify emerging trends and industries.